Hello traders, and welcome to another video in the series. And in this video we're going to be talking about using the fib tool to draw the lines on the chart rather than using the indicator. As you can see, the indicator also has a built-in alarm system, which you'll see in the videos. You can see down the side here we've had quite a lot of alerts lately. Sometimes though the alerts are just price going up and down over one of the price lines, so one of the pullback lines. So let's get into it. Let's take off the indicator to start with, and then close this on the side, and then we can add the fib to the chart. Okay, if we go over to the fib tool here on the left hand side, if you don't see it, if you click on this little arrow button, then you'll see it down the side here. It's fib retracement. So once we have the fib retracement tool chosen, we want to go to the right hand side of where price is. So not on the candles, we need to be the right hand side. I'm sure you have used these before. Just click down at the bottom and then pull this up to the all-time high. Now, what you'll see straight away is that the price is on the left. So the first thing we want to do is just double click, and we can change the value here over to the right hand side. And there you have your pullbacks. The other thing we can do is we can either have the background on, a bit nasty, or we can have it completely off. In this situation, we're going to have it completely off. Now, what we'll notice is these won't be correct because our lowest level here is down at 214. So what we want to do is go into the coordinates. Where it says 214, we want to put that down to 0. And what that'll do is it'll drop the level, the very first level, to where we want it to be, to anchor it down at the bottom. Now we can see at the top we need to make sure that this top line is in line with the high, and that's the all-time high. If you don't put it on the all-time high, we're not going to get the correct pullback levels on it. That's how simple that is. Now, here's the other thing though. You're going to have to put this on every single chart. So if you've got 20, 30 stocks, and you've got your different cryptos on here, you're going to need to do it for each and every one of them. And every time we get a new all-time high, you're going to have to then move your fib to that new all-time high. Maybe you haven't used it for a while, which means you're going to need to make it further to the right hand side, so you're going to have to make that as well. But if you want, what you can do is just take it off, just delete it, and let's just say we've moved on maybe 5 months since then. Just do it all over again. Just click on there, go to your new all-time high, double click on it so it opens the coordinates for you. Put the coordinates now, it's going to be the lowest one, down to 0, and then click OK. Now this is not going to have any alerts like the indicator does, but it's something you can use to check out exactly what pullbacks are happening on every stock and every crypto. Now I hope that helps. If you want to put alerts on this, you can use the horizontal line at each of these levels and use that as an alert system. Now, just to show you exactly how to do that, go to your horizontal line tool. I'm just going to put this in the middle, even though you should be putting it at the actual level, just so you can see it. Once that line is placed on the chart, go to alert, click the it's either going to be crossing above or below. Instead of the value, we're going to have, horizontal line. Let's just click on that. We need to be clicked on the horizontal line. Go to the alert again. It's going to say horizontal line, and then choose whether you want to cross above and below, or just cross above or cross below. Okay. And then once that's set, and if you go to your notifications, you can see here you can have it via email as well. Play sound, push notifications. So it's entirely up to you exactly how you want that. But that's how you would add an alert using a horizontal line. So once you're set up, you're good to go. Just make sure you put one on each of your stocks, and then once you get that alert, have a look to trade it.